If Chrome has suddenly hit you with the snap error and you're seeing result.code hung, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step using simple troubleshooting methods that can get your browser working again fast. This is one of those Chrome issues that can happen when a tab freezes, an extension misbehaves, hardware acceleration causes a rendering problem, or cached data gets corrupted. So instead of panic closing everything and losing your workflow, we're going to handle this the smart way. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. All right, let's jump in. The first thing to do is terminate the frozen process instead of closing your entire browser. This is important because one hung tab can be eating up resources while the rest of Chrome is still usable. On Windows, press Shift and Escape to open Chrome's internal Task Manager. On Mac, you can look for the Task Manager option through the Chrome menu if available, or use your system tools to identify the frozen tab. Once the Task Manager opens, look for the tab or process that shows the error, or sort by the highest CPU usage so the problem tab is easier to spot. Click that process, then choose End Process. That force closes only the frozen tab and leaves the rest of your browser intact. After that, go back to the page and refresh it with F5 on Windows or Command and R on Mac. In many cases, that alone is enough to bring the page back. If Chrome still throws the same error, the next thing to try is disabling hardware acceleration. This is a very common fix because incompatible graphics card drivers or rendering issues can cause Chrome to hang on certain pages. To do this, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner and open Settings. From there, go to the System section on the left-hand menu. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and toggle it off. Once you change that setting, Chrome will prompt you with a relaunch button. Click it so the browser restarts with hardware acceleration disabled. After Chrome reopens, test the page again and see if the snap error is gone. If the page still isn't loading properly, the next step is to clear conflicting extensions and data. Extensions are one of the biggest causes of result code hung errors, especially ad blockers, script managers, privacy tools, or anything that modifies page content. A great way to test this is by opening an Incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. Then visit the same website in incognito mode. If the page loads fine there, that usually means one of your extensions is the problem. To narrow it down, go back to the three-dot menu, hover over Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. Then start toggling off your extensions one by one, especially the ones that could interfere with scripts or page loading. Disable one, refresh the site, and see if the issue is fixed. If not, move to the next extension until you find the culprit. If you still can't solve it, the last cleanup step is clearing your site cache. Corrupt cached files can keep Chrome stuck trying to load broken data over and over again. To clear it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. In the browser data window, set the time range to all time. Then check cached images and files. If you want, you can also clear other browsing data, but cached files are the main thing here. Click Delete Data, then wait for Chrome to finish clearing the cache. After that, reload the page and check if it opens normally. In most cases, one of these methods will fix the snap Chrome error and the result code hung problem. If not, you may need to update Chrome, restart your computer, or check for system-level graphics driver issues, but the steps in this video solve the issue for most users. So to recap, first kill the frozen tab, then disable hardware acceleration, then test in Incognito, disable problematic extensions, and finally clear the cache. That order helps you work from the fastest fix to the deeper cleanup steps without wasting time. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Chrome and Windows troubleshooting guides, and let me know in the comments which step fixed it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.